You can't go a mile without running into a yoga studio. It seems like the trendy new thing to buy a pastel yoga mat and lurid pink yoga pants and go into a sun salutation. But we are not talking about yoga today because it's a good excuse to wear yoga pants. This week on Wellcast, we're going to show you why even just a few minutes of yoga a week will make you more mentally alert, happier, and healthier. You ready? There are plenty of studies that demonstrate yoga's potential for health. For example, Oxford University found that people who practice yoga even once a week were less stressed out, had lower blood pressure, and slept better at night. And yoga is not just good for your mental health. According to the National Institute of Health, it's proven to help with musculoskeletal issues, especially lower back pain. It can even help relieve asthma. So why don't more people try yoga? Some are afraid it'll be too difficult. You see enough people bent into pretzels, and you start to believe that you'll never be flexible enough. But what you might not know is yoga isn't a one-size-fits-all proposition. There are tons of different types of yoga, all with names that are kind of difficult to remember. There's Hatha, Bikram, Vinyasa, the list goes on. And while some types do encourage a hard workout where you bend and flex into insane positions and sweat bullets, yoga can more simply be just used as a meditative tool. And you get the same mental health benefits. Here's a word you probably haven't heard before: pranayama. It means focus on deep breathing and gentle stretching. It's also what people in that Oxford University study tested and found to be so intricately connected to happiness. Anyone in any skill level can try pranayama. So that is what we're going to practice today on Wellcast. Okay, stand comfortably, evenly on your 2 feet. You shouldn't be on your heels or on your toes. Center yourself, and then notice your breath. Breathe deeply. Try to stay away from shallow chest breathing. Take a few minutes just to focus on your breath. Now it's time to link your breath and movement. Gentle stretching style. When you breathe in, raise your arms. And when you breathe out, lower your arms. Simple as that. Keep your shoulders down and relax your hands. If you want, you can spend 20 minutes doing this. The simple stuff is good stuff. Or you can look up something a little bit more involved. Try Googling sun salutation or beginner's yoga sequence. Spend a little time taking stock of how you feel. What do you think of yoga now that you've tried it for the first time?